Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This one is about 3 challenging mathematical riddles, part 2, because we already had part 1 previously. So let's start with the first one. It's called filling the swimming pool. This one says that if we have 4 faucets and they are used to fill a swimming pool, the first one takes 2 days to fill the whole swimming pool alone. The second one takes 3 days, and the third one takes 4 days, while the fourth one takes 6 hours to fill the whole pool. So the question is, how long will it take to fill the pool using the all 4 at the same time? So first of all, if we didn't have this last one, then our minimum unit will be days, because this is like the smallest unit. But in case we have the fourth one, which is 6 hours, then we have to deal with hours. So in order to solve this one, we have to try to use only one unit, which is hours. And let's say that we should think about thinking about how many will it take each one to fill, the speed of filling for each one. So the last one fills the whole thing in 6 hours. So how much will it fill in 1 hour? It's 1/6. So let's start with the first one, which is 2 days. So in 1 hour, how much can it fill? So it's 1/2 times 24. This is the amount that it can fill in 1 hour. This is for the first one. For the second one, it can fill 1/2 times, it's 3 days. So it's 3 times 24. Third one will take 4 days, so it's 1/4 times 24. While the last one is obviously, no, it's not 6. It's 1/6. So you can use the calculator to calculate these numbers. 1/24. 2 times 24 is 1/48. Second will be 1/72, and the last one will be 1/96. Now this one is 1/6. So this is the amount of water that they can fill in 1 hour. So in order to fill the whole pool, they will all take the same amount of time. So we can directly say that when we sum these multiplied by the number of hours for each one, we should get 1, which is the fraction that represents the whole pool. So it's 1/48x plus 1/72x plus 1/96x plus 1/6x, and all of that equals 1. You can use the calculator and remind me if you want, or ask in the comments, how do I solve the equation using the calculator. It's very easy. I can explain it in a separate video, but this time I'll do it quickly so that we can get the solution. 1/96x plus 1/6x, this all equals 1. So the answer is 4.72, but that's 4.72 of an hour. So in order to change it to the hour, minute, seconds form, you press this button over here. So you take the answer, equals, and press this one, gives you, so it takes 4 hours, 43 minutes, almost 16.72 seconds. So this is for the first riddle. Let's move to the next one. It's called the injured soldiers. My God. So it states that you are having a total of 100 soldiers. 70 of them lost left leg, 75 lost right leg, 80 lost left arm, 85 lost right arm. So what's the minimum number of soldiers who lost all 4 limbs? Forgot to write this one. So in order to solve such a question, you're looking for the minimum numbers. So first of all, you can imagine that these are the 100 soldiers. This 100% represents 100. So if we say that 70 lost left leg, then 70 is about like over here. These who are the ones who lost left leg, LL. So in order to have the minimum amount of those who lost both left and right leg, we have to start with the right leg from above. So take this part, which is 30, and go down over here. So if we count from here to here, that's 75. So that this is the minimum amount of people who lost both the LL and RL, left leg and right leg. And this part we can calculate it by taking 100 minus 75. That's 25. So it's over here at 25. So this part is 70 and it starts from 25. So this part is from 25 up to 70. So 70 minus 25, so it's the minimum amount of those who lost both their legs is 45. So we take this 45 and do the same thing again. Different color. So let's say this is the 45. And we have 80 left arm. So the minimum of those who lost both legs and both legs and the left arm will take the 80. So it's like over here. So this common part will be, it's 100 minus 80, then this is 20. Then the common part is 45 and 20. 45 minus 20, which is 25. So you do the same thing again for the last part, which is the RA, the right arm. This is LA, stands for left arm, not Los Angeles. Alright, so 85. So we have again 100 soldier, and this one is, oh, we're going for 7 minutes, still have time. Alright, so this we say the it's 25, but this one is 85. So 100 minus 85, which is 15, and 25. So from 15, sorry, to 25, the common part will be 10. So 10. Then the minimum number of those who lost all 5 lines is 10 soldiers. Alright, so this one was cool. The last one is called the 7 and 5. This one says 7 and 5 is or are 13. So should it be 7 and 5 is 13 or 7 and 5 are 13? So take a second to think. Pause the video if you want. Alright, so the solution is neither, because 7 and 5, 7 plus 5 equals 12, not 13. Oh, that's not a 3. It's not 13. I trolled you with the last one, didn't I? Because I was serious for like more than 7 minutes, so you trusted me, but I betrayed you, right? So I hope you like this video. The number of subscribers is increasing, fortunately. And so if you have a problem, mathematical, physics, or any other stuff, you can check the first video so that you can know what questions you can ask. You can ask it in the comments section and I'll solve it in the next video. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.